the kind of things we came to know about the referees and the kind of problems they have, they can't make a decent living. So my main aim was that I wanted to show AIFF that you are putting people in a very bad position. For example, I'm giving example. Okay, I am an auto driver. Okay, I'm a referee, but driving an auto gives me more money than being a referee. Okay, what we did, nobody knows about this. Last year, I told these guys, the AIFF guys, that stop trying to blame the referees. I keep on blaming them as well. But have you spent any money on their training? We don't do that. So Colonel Gautam Kar used to be head of referees. He and he's a colonel he was a colonel in the army. So the connect of armed forces was there. So I called him up and I said, listen, we do these leadership courses and we do decision-making courses. How to take right decisions in life-threatening situations, armed forces. So these referees should be made to do that personality development course, and that course will also talk about public speaking, on how to handle superstars like a Chetri coming and telling you off on your face, and how do you handle that, or a Del Piero coming in doing it now, for example. That's what we have in Indian football. Okay, and how do you handle that? Because you're big in the game. He's not Del Piero. You're bigger than them, and we get. You see Indian referees, गोरा आके कुछ कहते थे चुप हो जाते हैं. Indian आके कहते साला yellow card निकाल देते हैं उसको red card निकाल देते हैं. So or if I shout at them from the sidelines or my coach does, he'll be sent off. Whereas a Gora can abuse the shit out of them from the sidelines and he will just come and plus it. Them doesn't matter, please bat. Nice. So these guys, 60 referees were sent by All India Football Federation to Minerva Academy for over 20 days. We took care of their khana, pina, rehna and free course, and they spent this, and the kind of things we came to know about the referees and the kind of problems they have, they can't make a decent living. So my main aim was that I wanted to show AIFF that you are putting people in a very bad position. For example, I'm giving example. Okay, I am an auto driver. Okay, I'm a referee, but driving an auto gives me more money than being a referee. True. Then I'm giving example. My father has cancer, or my son has cancer. Okay, I need 5 lakh rupees today. A guy comes to me and tells me that I will give you 5 lakh rupees and you can save your son's life. All you have to do is give one, it will not affect the match. It's a spot fixing decision. You have to give a yellow card or a red card to this player so that he is suspended from next match, which will help us win or beat that team because he's on 3 yellows. And no one will suspect you. It's a spot fixing decision. Doesn't have to do anything. It doesn't have to do anything with the match. And I can save my son's life. Who do I blame here? What you're doing, you're testing him whether your love for the game is more or your love for the son is more. But if you give me a salary of 50,000 rupees a month, that means I can take up a loan from any place because I have a salary of 50,000 a month. Na? So I can take up a loan from any company कि मेरे को 5 लाख का loan चाहिए मेरे बेटे की problem है. You will not put me in that position. But if you give me 12,000 rupees a month and you expect me to give fair decisions and you expect me to be above all this, okay, why is there no fixing now in cricket? Because it's very difficult to fix. Very difficult. Because attention is there. The easiest game to fix is football. Why? Because there is no attention. You can literally walk up to any referee and spend the night in his hotel right next to in his room. And no one will come to know about it because there is nothing known as being thing. But the money being spent on these matches is almost equal to cricket matches, man. Like for an ISL match, the amount of money being paid to players. Paid is not in fixing, in just salary.
So referees aren't tracked before, like a day or two before?
No. See, they are not kept in the same hotels as the teams. Okay. So there is no security for them. AIFF hires some third-class hotel for them in some third-class area. And those hotels, so many times, I have got calls saying from the head of referees, say, उनके पास वहाँ पे बिजली नहीं है, उनके पास खाना नहीं है, उनके पास ये नहीं है, उनको ये करवा दो. and we're getting food packed and sent for them, or we are providing them with internet so they can send their reports back, or they don't have enough money to reach from उनके अच्छा लुधियाना में हमारे मैच हो रहे हैं, AIF अपने सिर्फ चंडीगढ़ तक बुकिंग कराई है फ्लाइट की, लुधियाना अपने आप पहुंच जाओ. So referees are saying please आपकी बस कब जा रही है. Now you're putting them in a conflict of interest situation. मैं अपनी बस में लेके जा रहा हूँ, मेरे सारे प्लेयर्स उस बस में बैठे हुए हैं, मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. But now the same player tomorrow is sitting around and joking with him. Same player will make a rough tackle. You think he can just give a yellow card, or you think 10 times before it because he's just been in a friendly situation with him. So these things are happening all over. Or suppose there's a personal khundak with somebody. So these things are happening, and these will keep happening. And you cannot blame the referees because they don't have training, they're not being given enough compensation, and they are not being treated with the same respect as you would treat normal officials. So if they were given the same kind, and it's not difficult. If you say to every club who's spending 11 crores or 10 crores a year to spend 11 crores and 5 lakhs, or 11 crores and 30 lakhs or 50 lakhs, and you increase referees compensation in it, you improve solidarity compensation. That means, suppose for example, I buy Anirudh Thapa today for 20 crores.
Yeah.
And like it happens abroad, it happens in Europe. 20 crores, so out of that, 5% is known as solidarity fee. So 20 crore mein se mera, for every lakh, 5 lakhs, so it's 1 crore rupees is going to go to my clubs who have helped groom me. So the first 3 years I get, he's been with me 12, 13, 14, I'll get 0.25 of that 1 crore. Okay. Aise karte, all the clubs who have supported me throughout my life will get small percentage of that money. Same way, solidarity fund for referees.
Nice.
That this guy has done over 100 matches and now it's his career. He needs to be given a raise. Who gives him a raise? Clubs give him a raise.
But won't that be shouldn't it be AIFF?
No, but they are saying they don't have the money. You put it on the clubs. But because because there's so many, it's not going to cost much. Because you're talking about 50 referees in India getting 50,000 rupees a month salary. That's it.
Yeah.